In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add a yes/no dropdown to your Google Sheets. This feature can be incredibly handy when you want to easily track tasks, record responses, or simply create a more interactive and user-friendly spreadsheet. So let's get started and walk through the steps. First, you're going to open up your Google Sheets. If you have a specific document you're working on, go ahead and pull that one up. If not, you can start a new sheet from scratch. Once you have your Google Sheets open, it's time to select the cell where you want the yes/no dropdown. For this example, we'll click on cell B2. Once you've clicked on cell B2, type the @ symbol. This might be a bit surprising, but it's part of Google's interface that helps to bring up a context menu. This menu offers various options you can insert into your cell. After typing the @ you'll see some options appear, one of which should be dropdowns. Go ahead and click on that option. Now, when you click on drop-downs, you will be presented with some preset options. One of these will be the simple yes/no option. Select this option by clicking on it. With that done, you'll notice a box with options for yes and no now in cell B2. Before moving on, double-check that it has indeed appeared in your selected cell just to be sure everything is loaded correctly. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click on the Done button to finalize the choice. This will close the drop-down editor and apply the changes to the selected cell. Now that you've created your first drop-down in cell B2, you might want to replicate this across a range of cells. Click on cell B2 again, the one with your newly created drop-down, and using your keyboard, press Ctrl+C. This will copy the cell and all its properties, which include our yes/no drop-down feature. After copying the cell, you want to select the range where you wish to apply the same drop-down feature. Highlight the cells from B3 to B12. You can do this by clicking and holding on B3 and then dragging down to B12. Finally, to paste your yes/no drop-down into the highlighted cells, you'll use the Ctrl+V shortcut. This action pastes what you've copied into each of those selected cells, and just like that, each one will now contain its own functional yes/no drop-down. So, there you have it. With just these few simple steps, you can add yes/no dropdowns in Google Sheets. This trick definitely adds an interactive element to your spreadsheets, making them not only more visually appealing, but also more practical. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips like this.